I ain't gonna lie, you guys. It's like my third time doing this. I'm so tired of doing this introduction. But I love y'all. So I guess I gotta do it till I get it right. So welcome back, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Simi. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hey, boo. Hey. So today's video is basically going to be a wig tutorial. It's like a little warm, natural beat, you know. I'm gonna start doing this like every day. You feel me? So the wig tutorial is with this wig right here. I ain't gonna lie, I really love this wig, you guys. It's a real good quality wig. And shout out to DolaHair company for sponsoring this video. They sent this wig to me for free. I bought a wig from them before, and then I did a tutorial, a wig tutorial. It was my curly hair. If you guys did not watch that video, make sure y'all go back and watch that video, okay? They sent me this 20-inch body wave wig. It's their fake scalp wig. Now let me go ahead and elaborate on what I mean by fake scalp. So basically, you know, when we put a stocking cap on to protect our baby hairs, and so when we part the wig, it can look natural like our scalp, right? This right here, you know, usually this will be the stocking cap. That's just the fake scalp that the wig comes with, and it comes out this far, so you can part it on the side right here, and you can part it in the middle. So, you know, it's very convenient. It eliminates a step. But me personally, I like to protect my edges, okay? My hairline already got pushed back just a tad bit since I've been wearing wigs, but you know, it's not major. So I make sure that I go ahead and I put the stocking cap on so I can protect my hair. And plus, it just, I don't know, it makes it look so out the scalp with it, like you grew it. Like this is my hair, okay? You can't tell me nothing. The wig came in this box right here. It says DolaHair, shake up your style. On the back, it gives you instructions on how to maintain your human hair. We ain't gonna spend all that time with reading this. Y'all know what y'all supposed to do to maintain y'all hair. They also sent me this baby hair brush. It comes with a brush, a comb, and a rat tail. So this is very convenient. When I seen this, I was like, oh yeah, this is going to be something I use every day. They also sent me 2 clips that say boss. I haven't used these, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use these. So shout out to DolaHair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Okay, so let me go ahead and let y'all take a look at the hair. Y'all know your girl got this coming out the scalp as usual. Yes, thank you. Yup. Out the scalp, y'all know me. Out the scalp. So as y'all can see, this is very pretty hair. Thank y'all so much once again, DolaHair, for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna put all the information for this video in the description box below, along with my social media. So y'all make sure y'all follow me on the gram, okay? Make sure y'all add me on Snapchat. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and let's get to it with the camera. Alright y'all, so this is the hair, fresh out the box, still got the net on. This hair is soft, very soft. When I ran my fingers through it, I only had minimal shedding. As y'all can see, y'all only see a couple strands, so I was very appreciative with that, because y'all know how these wigs can be. So on the sides, with the fake scalp, you have like an inch, I say, and then as you get closer towards the middle, you're able to make a deeper part. In the middle, if you make a middle part, as you can see, you can make a very deep part. So yeah, now the wig came with its own baby hairs, but you know me, I have to have such a natural look. I went ahead and I plucked more of my baby hairs just to give me that natural look that I desire. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take some setting foam, and I'm gonna just push all the hair back so none of the hair is in my way when I go to lay my wig down. Y'all see that natural look right there? Yes, that's what I need. Now I'm just cutting the holes so my ears can poke out. Gotta cut them off on both sides. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the stocking cap as close to my edges as possible, but not too close, because like I said, we want to protect the edges, girl. We don't want to be around here with no edges, looking like a bald head scallywag. Like, that's not the vibes at all. Alright, now to make sure I got this stocking cap completely flat, I'm using Got2b gel, and I'm going to put that around the edges, and then I'm going to take a blow dryer and let that set. And that's going to lay down so flat, and it's going to have your lace looking so good. Alright, so now I'm going to show y'all the wig. As y'all know, it's very soft, very pretty. That right there, the brown part, is the fake scalp, and as I said, it has like an inch of fake scalp along the lace. There is a back lace, just in case you want to glue the back down. There's a band, so it could be a glueless wig, but I glue my shit down. So yeah, so once you put that band around your head, like, it's very secure. Like, if I did want to do a glueless style, well, I really couldn't, because the band came too far down, because I got to pull my wigs down far, because my edges is very close to my eyebrows, as you can see. You see the band right there? Look, once when I lift it up, you're going to see the band. See, yeah, so it was like pressing my ear down, so I couldn't even wear glueless if I wanted to, but it was very secure. But it's just because my baby hairs is so close to my fucking eyebrows that I couldn't do it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna cut the lace just so I can get it out my eyes, because it was all up in my eyes and it was aggravating me. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace where the ears is at, so we make sure them ears pop out. We don't want the lace covering the ears. Y'all know my go-to glue is the Bold Hold wig glue. I'm just gonna dot this around the stocking cap, make sure I put a good amount, not too much, not too little, and just put this around my stocking cap where I'm gonna lay the hair, well, the lace. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this pink clip that I had laying around, and I'm gonna smooth out that glue. We're gonna smooth it out as much as possible. We want this glue to be very, very thin, because we're gonna add a second layer once we're done smoothing out this layer of glue. Alright, so now it's time to lay this baby down. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down very carefully, slowly. Go ahead and press very slowly with your nails. Lay it down, make sure it's in the right position, because once this glue gets tacky, it gets tacky and that wig gets stuck there, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and press with our fingernails and just press where we want the glue to go. Well, where we want the lace to go. Alright, y'all, so as I said before, this glue, once it gets tacky, it gets tacky. I messed around and I laid it in the wrong spot, so I have to go ahead and take the glue off with alcohol and take the glue that's on the lace off with some tweezers. And then I have to put some glue again, and then I have to smooth it out again. And now I can go ahead and lay the lace. Well, I gotta make sure it's completely dry first, then I lay the lace, as you can see. So remember when I said I couldn't wear it glueless if I wanted to because that black band comes like over my ear? I ended up having to cut that black band, y'all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my edges with some alcohol and a Q-tip. We're gonna carefully do this because, as y'all know, that alcohol will make the lace lift. Then I'm gonna press down with a rat tail comb, and I'm gonna end up spraying some Got to Be spray on the comb, just so I can make sure that the edge of the lace is completely sealed. We don't want that lifting up, okay? That thing is melting, baby. That junk look like it grew out my scalp, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead, tie it up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. But first, let me show y'all the hair. Let me show y'all how the hair look without anything being done to it. Boom. Yes, 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 yes. And I didn't want to show all of that with me curling my hair, so I just basically put it half up, half down. And then I curled it. I'll hold the curl in my hand, and then I spray it with some Got to Be spray. Make sure that the curl don't go nowhere, even though they still ended up falling, but whatever. So yeah. Thing look good, and that junk coming out the scalp. Ooh, where's the lace, y'all? Because I cannot find it. Yes, send me. Yes, and there goes the finished look, you guys. Thank you for watching.